Lamphang na Ïing Dorbar Thawain ka Jylla, Thomas A Sangma ryngkat ki ophisar ni ka sngi, kila leit ban Jurip bat shong ka jingialang ban buddien halor ka jingpyntrei ya ka Ïing Dorbar bat Thymmai ka Jylla ka badan Mawdiangdiang. La donlang ha ka ni ka sngi naduh Symbud Lamphang Timothy di shira, nnagta commissioner bat sekretari ka Ïing Dorbar, bat ki ophisar na kitna paper kumjo na ka assembly sekretariat. Kaba jubab halor ka jingkeli halor ka jingpyntrei ya udom Lamphang Pyntip ba mynta la dep ban Pynkhuid bat wenglot ya ki lengkai na ka jingtua udom bat ka jingpyntrei mynta kala ya chakman uau ba ki khmi lenti ba ka jingpyntrei ya ka te ka Ïing Dorbar ba Thymmai kan long hau nai tung nen lailar jong usnam banwan.
So for interiors, this is the colors of the walls on the interiors. That is for externals. That is for outside the building. That is the base, the ground floor. Remember the view has a dark base. It was this color, and the top portion of the building will be something like this. और ये दोनों combination में ground तक ये है सर ऊपर ये है
sir please sign sir because it's too confusion everyone is visitors coming which one is selected which one is selected. This is
some fish looks like some fish.
This exterior also sir, this exterior.
Today we had another round of review meeting, the inspection of this site at Mawdiangdiang, the assembly building construction which is going on. The last time inspection was done in 14th November last month, and now we are doing it today again. So you can understand the urgency of this, why we are doing frequent inspections and review meetings, because we want this to be completed at the earliest possible. And one more thing is we had called different departments today. We had called the PHE department, which will take care of the water supply to this complex. We had called also the social forestry department, which will take care of the greenery and the landscaping of the premises, and also other departments like art and culture, which will look into the aspect of putting traditional color to the assembly, and many other departments like IT departments, NIC. So we have taken various opinions from various departments. So the work is in good progress. We don't want to go, to let the work go slow. So we are parallelly trying to come out with other works which is required to, upon completion, side by side, alongside the furnishings, the interiors, everything will happen, so that we have put the deadline to complete this by July or August. We are targeting to start the next assembly here of the autumn session.
Yes. So you have set the target for July. So is it well on track, sir? Are you happy with the
It may be very tight, frankly speaking, honestly speaking. It may be slightly tight, but we will try our best to ensure that the work is completed by at least July, if not July, by August.
Yes. So if you can also update us about the place where the dome fell. Has all the debris been cleared and everything?
Yes, the debris has been cleared. They have now started doing the structural layout, and the work has begun, so that it is going to be, I think, the main dome structure, the entire area will be on prefabricated steel. So we were told, upon our review meeting, we were told that all these prefab structures, steel structures, will be arriving by December and January. So the installation or the fitting of these prefabricated steel structures would begin by February and it will be completed by April.
So we are also made to believe that once everything is done, again this structural integrity will be vetted by the IITs.
Yes. It will be vetted by the concerned IITs, which had earlier also given us the necessary vetting.
My final question to you, sir: when are you planning to begin the next phase, sir? Like the other partners?
The second phase.
Yes.
The second phase, actually, we have, in principle, followed it up with the donor ministry, which has given us the assurance, in principle, to sanction the second phase. But we are still in a process of preparing the DPRs, so it will take some time. Upon the preparation of the DPR,